review on a human hair wig that I picked up from Unice Hair. Y'all know I absolutely love them. They're one of my most favorite human hair wig manufacturers. If you are new here, please consider subscribing as I upload almost daily. But if you're an older but goodie, welcome back. Okay, if you're older but goodie, y'all know y'all see this pink box at least twice a week. That is how much I love Unice. All I've done is take this wig out of its shipping packaging because you guys know I like to do everything on camera with y'all. So the wig comes in its normal pink box. And outside of the wig, we do have some extras. And out of all the companies that I get human hair from, they really do have the best extras, things that I will use. They have an edge brush with a replaceable head that I really like. I use those so much. We have some HD wig caps. We have an edge band with their branding on it. And then we have two other smaller bands as well. A thinner one and another thinner one. This one has their branding on it, and this one just says love with some hearts. So super cute. Okay, so as far as this wig, I'm going to read directly off of the packaging. This wig is a 13x4 pre-everything lace wig. I love these things. They're so easy. They are so easy. It is a body wave and it is 24 inches long. So let's take it out of this packaging so we can look at this cap construction and these tabs they've included as well. So they've also included an additional pack of pre-everything tabs. I love these. I use these on all of my wigs if I'm wearing a wig out. Love them. But Unice has already attached some to the wig, so I won't need to. When I say pre-everything, pre-attached tabs, pre-beautiful curls that I could not even get if my life depended on it. And then the other things that you should see about this wig. Look how beautiful that 13x4 parting space is. You get an adjustable glueless band in this wig. You get a large comb, some adjustable straps, and this drawstring. Yeah, I love these drawstring wigs now. To be honest, I don't even use the combs anymore. I really don't use the glueless band anymore. If I am wearing a wig that utilizes this drawstring, because that's how secure it feels on my head. This is absolutely gorgeous, and this will not take long because it is truly a pre-everything wig. There is that hairline up close and right out of the pack. There are a lot of companies, like I said, that say pre-everything, and not so much. Unice units truly are pre-everything wigs, specifically with this drawstring that I love. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this wig on my head. I'll brush it out, give you a 360, and then I'll come back with my final thoughts, you guys. Be right back.
Can I tell you something for what it's worth? With you, heaven is a place on earth, and I will take you there. I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. With you, heaven is a place on earth, and I will take you there. I'll take you there.
All right, you guys, so I'm back with my final thoughts on this easy, beautiful, truly pre-everything wig from Unice Hair, and I am in love. I pinned some up just to show you guys that drawstring and how you can make this wig. I mean, it feels so secure on my head, and I do not have those combs in, and that is because of the drawstring. This wig is bomb. This is the type of wig that I would wear for an extended period of time, because normally I start to get hot, but with this one I can pin it up and it still be just as cute. This one by Unice is a definite winner, and they've knocked it out of the park again. So I can definitely recommend that you pick this one up. Just know that with these drawstring units, they make it in textures other than body wave. They make it in a kinky straight, a kinky curly, a water wave. So that drawstring is now available on so many units, and I absolutely love it. Talk to me in the comments. Tell me what your thoughts are. Have you tried any of these drawstring wigs, and did you like them? Until next time, y'all, which will be very soon.